Hello, hello, hello guys. Hello, hello. We're inside the metro train. Too much step, huh? Too much steps. There's elevator, but I don't take elevator. There's elevator there. There's a new elevator. You can see, guys, I'm here. Where I'm. Nasaan ako? I'm here, guys. I'm here. I'm here. Now, I'm going to. No, I'm here. I'm going there to make it shortcut. Like interchange. Take the blue. Going here. Going there. This is the last station for the blue. This was blue is the first shortcut. So this is the orange. Orange. If you want to make shortcut, you take the blue color. If you go downtown, you take here a green color. So while waiting the train, I show you the map of the train station. Green over there. Orange here. This one is too far. They're already too far. So how many steps? I'm here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 station, guys. 11 station. I'm going to 11 station. But this morning, I came from here this morning. I just finished my work. I'm here, going there. Here. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Takes maybe it's 30 minutes. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 station. This morning. Now only 9. I think 9 station because I took the shortcut. Intersection, guys, make it shortcut. Daming tao dito kasi dito banda yung parang ano siya, para Divisoria market. Doon sa taas yung pag-exit mo doon, mga bibili ng gown, mga night dress, mga pambinyag dress. Doon sa taas. Minsan na ako. Ang hirap kasi dito, guys. Minsan na naliligaw ako dito kasi daming mga exit din. Exit. Andito na ako guys. Yan. Andito na ako. Galing ako doon kanina. Dito na ako. Ngayon na take this. There. Ayan ang map. Hindi kayo magtataka guys. Puro mga itim ang mga suot dito. Yan ang talagang suot ng winter. Kulay ng winter. Kasi medyo warm siya. You wear black. Saka mahirap makita ng dumi. Kaya karamihan black niwewear. Ngayon ang maliit na siya. Ang shortcut. That's the last station guys. 9 station. 9 station. Now I need to exit. I'm going to next. Okay. Well, bye. Mekos ang amoy sa metro guys. Amoy pawis, amoy lahat-lahat na. Wala akong mask kaya aking scarf ay Mekos. The weather today guys is +3 lang. Hindi negative. Wag negative ha. Wag negative. +3 lang. Ito na naman tayo. Waiting the bus. Guys, alam yung church yan. Diyan ako nagsumba kagabi. Every Wednesday ng gabi. Diyan ako yung nagsusumba. 7 to 8. 1 hour lang. Kaya pag Wednesday night, busy ako. Pag Philippines time naman is early. Yeah, morning sa Pilipinas. Kaya minsan wala ako sa mga live or mga nandyan po ako nagsusumba. 1 hour lang naman, pero yung way ko pupunta dyan 30 minutes and then going back 30 minutes, so it's like 2 hours. 2 hours. Bus is there. Just arrived. Going. Anong kulay ito guys? White to gray. Naging gray. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.